Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to add LAN in Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. Go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, tap on the Create button. Tap on Creations from the left side. Now tap on the Edit icon of the experience where you want to add LAN. This will open Roblox Studio where you can add LAN and also make new changes. If you want new place, then tap on File, click on New option. Now tap on Editor button from the taskbar. A menu with 3 options will appear. To add LAN, tap on Generate button. Now create LAN. Tap on Generate. You can edit the LAN by tapping on the Edit button. Here you have different options through which you can make changes to LAN. And that's how you can add LAN in Roblox.